Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, then to the TalkBack, and then just enable this feature here. And that's how you can do this thing. And now you can hear how this feature works.
Double tap to activate. Accessibility volume set to 100%. Select to speak off in list 26 items.
So if you want to enable it, just go here, like this.
Off. Turn off TalkBack. Turn off button. TalkBack off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.